Chapter 12 Algebraic Expressions. Good morning, children. You know that expressions are a central concept in algebra. This chapter is devoted to algebraic expressions. When you have studied this chapter, you will know how algebraic expressions are formed, how they can be combined, how we can find their values, and how they can be used. How are expressions formed? We have already learned that what are variables and what are constants. We use letters X, Y, L, M, etc. to denote variables. A variable can take various values. Its value is not fixed. On the other hand, a constant has a fixed value. Examples of constants are 4, 100, -17, etc. Thus, expressions that contain variables and constants are called algebraic expressions. We combine variables and constants to make algebraic expressions. For this, we use these operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Formation of expressions. By using the four operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with a constant 4 and a variable x, we will obtain the following expressions. That is, first one, while adding x and 4, you will get the expression x plus 4. When we subtract 4 from the variable x, you will get the expression x minus 4. When we multiply the constant with the variable x, you will get the expression 4 into x, that is 4x. When we divide 4 by the variable x, you will get x by 4. Another one expression is 6x plus 9. 6x plus 9 is also getting by multiplying 6 with the variable x and added to the constant 9. Another one example is 14y minus 30. Thus, we have seen that in these all cases, expressions are formed by combining constants and variables. We can also obtain expressions by combining variables with the variable itself. Thus, for example, x into x is equal to x square. That is also an expression. Terms, factors, and coefficient. Terms of an expression. In the expression 9x plus 4, you know that 9 is multiplied with the variable x and added to another constant 4. Thus, we have seen that 9x is the first term of the expression and 4 is the second term of the expression. There are two terms in the expression 9x and 4. Thus, we have seen that terms are added to form expressions. That is, 9x is added with the term 4. You will obtain the expression 9x plus 4. The terms are 9x and 4. Then one more thing we will note that the minus sign is included in the term. That is, in the example 4x square minus 3xy. Which are the terms? First term is 4x square and the second term is negative 3xy. Thus, we have seen that 4x square and minus 3xy are added to form the expression 4x square minus 3xy. Next one is factors of a term. 3xy is a term. Which are the factors? Factors of this the term 3xy are 3x and y are the factors. Another one expression 5xy plus 10. In this expression, which is having two terms, 5xy is the first term and 10 is the second term. But 5xy has some more factors. 5xy is multiplied with the factors 5x and y. Therefore, the factors of 5xy are 5x and y. By using the dotted line, we can show the factors of the given term. What do you mean by coefficient? Coefficient of a term is simply we can say that the numerical factor of that term is called the coefficient of the term. For example, 5xy is a term. Its numerical factor is 5. Other two, x and y are, that is not numerical factor. That is, therefore, we can say that 5 is the coefficient of the term 5xy. The word coefficient is used in a more general way. Thus, we say that in the term 5xy, 5 is the coefficient of xy. Thus, x is the coefficient of 5y and y is the coefficient of 5x. Thus, in this way, a coefficient is said to be the coefficient of the product of the remaining factor. Let us see two more examples. In the first expression, x minus 3. In the expression x minus 3, the terms are x and minus 3. And the factors of x, we can say that x and 1 are the factors. And the factors of minus 3, we can say that minus 1 and 3. The second example, minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. In this expression, it is having three terms. Which are the terms? Minus ab, 2b square minus 3a square. The factors of minus ab are minus 1, a and b. The second term is 2b square. Its factors are 2b, b. And the third term is minus 3a square. Its factors are minus 1, 3a and a. Let us discuss one or two examples. Example 1. Identify in the following expressions terms which are not constants. Give their numerical coefficient. First question, xy plus 4. The terms which is not a constant is xy. Its numerical coefficient is 1. The second question, 13 minus y square. The term which is not a constant is minus y square. Its numerical coefficient is minus 1. Third one, 13 minus y plus 5y square. It is having two terms which is not a constant. That is, first term is minus y and its numerical coefficient is negative 1. Second term is 5y square. Its numerical coefficient is y. Fourth question, 4p square q minus 3pq square plus 5. The terms which is not a constant are 4p square q and negative 3pq square. The numerical coefficients are 4 and negative 3. Second example, what are the coefficient of x in the following expressions? First one, 4x minus 3y. Term with the factor x is 4x. Okay, therefore, the coefficient of x means the remaining factor in that term. Okay, you remove x from the term, the remaining factor is 4. Therefore, the coefficient of x is 4. Second question, 8 minus x plus y. Term with the factor x is only one term, that is minus x. Its coefficient is negative 1. Third question, y square x minus y. Okay, the term with the factor x is only one term, that is y square x. Its coefficient of x is the remaining factor with a term, that is y square. Fourth question, 2z minus 5xz. the term with factor x is negative 5xz, and the remaining factor in that term is negative 5z. Second question, what are the coefficients of y in the following expression? First expression is 4x minus 3y. The coefficient, the term with the factor y is negative 3y. Therefore, the coefficient of y is negative 3. Similarly, you can try the remaining question. Like and unlike terms. When terms have the same algebraic factors, they are called like terms. For example, 5mn and 10mn. They are like terms since their algebraic factors are m and n. Therefore, they are like terms. When terms have different algebraic factors, they are called unlike terms. For example, 3x and 7b are unlike terms since their algebraic factors are different. That is, in the first term, its algebraic factor is x, and the second 7b, its algebraic factor is b. Therefore, they are unlike terms. In the expression 4xy minus 5x plus 3xy plus 2, among this expression, it is having 4 terms. Among these 4 terms, 2 terms are like terms since 4xy and 3xy are having the algebraic factors x and y. Therefore, they are like terms. And similarly, we can say that 4xy and negative 5x are unlike terms since their algebraic factors are different. For 4xy, its algebraic factors are x and y. For negative 5x, its algebraic factor is x only. Therefore, they are unlike terms. Types of algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions that contain only one term are called monomial. For example, 18ab, it is having only one term. Therefore, it is a monomial. Algebraic expressions that contain 2 terms, exactly 2 terms, are called binomial. For example, 5m plus 2, it is having 2 terms. Therefore, it is a binomial. Algebraic expressions that contain 3 terms are called trinomial. 6a plus 4b minus 2c. It is having 3 terms. Therefore, we can call it as a trinomial. Or generally, we can call an expression with 1 or more terms is called a polynomial. Thus, monomial, binomial, trinomial are called polynomials. Let us discuss one more example. State with reasons which of the following pairs of the terms are of like terms and which are of unlike terms. First question is 7x and 12y. The factors of 7x are 7 and x, and the factors of 12y are 12 and y. The algebraic factors of these 2 terms are not same or it is different. Therefore, they are unlike. The second question, 15x and negative 21x. Algebraic factors of the first expression, first term is x and the second term is also x. Therefore, the algebraic factors are same. Therefore, they are like terms. Third question, negative 4ab and 7ba. The algebraic factors are a and b and the second one b and a. Therefore, the algebraic factors are same. Therefore, they are like terms. Similarly, you can try the remaining questions yourself. Hope all of you understood how an algebraic expression formed and what are its terms, what are the factors of a term, and what are the coefficient of a term, and like and unlike terms, and different types of algebraic expression like monomial, binomial, trinomial, or polynomial. Thank you.